TDL, your reliable partner for plastic injection molding. Welcome to TDL Plastic Mold. Our philosophy is built on a professional team, providing a one-stop solution with on-time delivery and good after-sales service. We are committed to quality, safety, and sustainability. Certified to ISO 14001, ISO 9001, and ISO 13485. From automotive and connectors to gears, double injection parts, optical, medical, and household applications, delivering solutions across a wide range of industries. TDL factory is located in Chang'an, Dongguan. We own a batch of experienced engineers, tool workers, and advanced machines. Our 30 years of engineering expertise delivers tailored DFM, mold flow analysis, and mold design through regular reviews and technical collaboration. We optimize designs for improved manufacturability and cost efficiency. Our in-house mold production is built on over 20 high-speed CNC machines, ensuring precise components with consistent quality. Automated robotic arms enable semi to fully automated operation, supporting continuous unattended production and reliable output across shifts. Our wire EDM workshop features 10 Sodic and Makino machines, achieving tolerances within 0.002 millimeters. We produce highly intricate mold components with exceptional accuracy and consistency. Our EDM center operates 12 advanced machines, including high-precision Makino and Sodic models, along with dual-head HSBK systems. This enables us to produce complex mold components with consistent accuracy and superior surface finishing. After machining, every mold undergoes careful polishing and inspection. Our quality control team ensures that surfaces are flawless, and every dimension meets strict tolerances. Only molds that pass this process are delivered to our clients, guaranteeing both performance and reliability. In our mold assembly and polishing departments, each mold is carefully fitted, adjusted, and finished to ensure smooth operation and long-term production stability. We design and manufacture precision molds for medical, automotive, and multi-cavity applications, each customized to client needs. We operate a Class 100,000 cleanroom for medical and electronic injection molding, ensuring clean, stable, and compliant production. Our injection molding facility runs 75 machines, 80 to 1,300 tons. Operating on a two-shift system, we ensure high-volume, stable production. Each machine is automated with robots and monitored by dedicated quality and packing staff, guaranteeing consistent part quality and controlled packaging before shipment. Injection molded parts are inspected via CMMs, 2.5D systems, and optical projectors to prevent deviation and ensure batch consistency. For complex components, custom fixtures guarantee repeatable accuracy, with critical dimensions held within plus or minus 0.03 millimeters after molding. Beyond molding, we provide a full range of post-processing and finishing services. Electro-painting, standard painting, laser printing, pad printing, hot transfer printing, heat shaking, laser engraving, ultrasonic welding, and assembly line production. We provide low-volume prototyping and validation to verify design, fit, and function. Our services include SLA 3D printing, 5-axis metal machining, and CNC plastic machining. reducing development risk and shortening time to mass production. There's also silicone vacuum casting for your choice. With 30 years of experience, TDL has served over 500 clients globally, committed to excellence and lasting partnerships. Contact TDL to take your brilliant designs to life.